Hello, my name is Nick Vita. This is my Peloton bike, my favorite toy, and I am calling or taking this video to tell you about a problem I've been having, and is that every fourth rotation it makes a noise, kind of a clicking. That's it. That was it. That click. Now what's happening is I thought maybe the wheel was scraping at something. That's not the case. It's actually the belt. I was able to get an angle. So if I slow it down, you can see, I believe you can see the belt. There, it flares out and there. Hold on. Let's see. So, as you can see, the belt is split right there. I don't know if you can see that. It's probably hard to discern over video. I can definitely make it out, but it looks like the belt has basically just kind of split in one part. I would definitely take it out myself, but I don't want to void the warranty, and I know nothing about it. So, sorry if you couldn't tell. I tried to get a good shot of it, but it's hard to get an angle with the phone. I don't want to do any damage to the bike, so I'm hoping you could send somebody out. Please let me know if you need further information. Thank you.